Now we have reinstalled our plug. Right there, see it up there, and we have our clips on our wiring harness. A little hard to roll around out here on this uneven ground, but there, see I put the plastics in. They hold that back wire and they just snap right in. You're good. Alright. Air conditioning bolts are all up, so we went on ahead and tightened this bolt back down right here. Okay. We got our line clips. You really don't want any, you don't want them lines to touch, vibrate. So somewhere right in there is probably about the best spot. Keep it like that. Same there, same as here, and all the way up. Okay, you want to keep them separate because you don't want them vibrating. They'll roll a hole in it. We got the starter on. Everything's hooked up. This little wire, I ain't figured out what this is yet, but motor mounts are tight. We're good. Everything's in there solid. Transmission mount's good. The lines are good over here. So now we're ready to put the cross member from here to here on. And then we put her on the ground and we start pumping water into her. Get her ready to crank. See if she'll spit and sputter a little bit for me. I know she will. She's tired of waiting on me. That's right, this is my beast. She's bad as hell now. By God, she got new motor mounts, transmission mount, flex plate, oil pump, timing chain, what else? New fluid for the transmission, new fluid and filter for the oil. What else? Oh, a new rear transmission seal, which is the correct one, by the way. Alright, that's what your seal wants to look like, right there. Not the one with the extension. The extension just fucks up bad. We're carrier bearing's tight. We're in our differential down there, and she's tight. All the wires are hooked up. Everything is good to go. Mayday, mayday. Let's put this in. She's gonna start talking to me in a little bit. I haven't drove this thing in 2 months. Actually, it's been longer than that. The 10th would have made 2 months, so almost 2 months and 9 or